Sarkari Sarvajanik High School, Karambole, come before you to guide the light of Christmas in you, so that you may brighten your life and the life of others.
Let us bring him silver and gold. lives. Christmas carols never fail to lift the spirits. They remind us of a warm, special time of the year. They proclaim Jesus as Christ, King, Messiah, Savior, Mary's child, and Emmanuel. Singing them opens up hearts to the good news about Jesus, what He has done for us, and what He wants to do in our lives, right here, right now. We shall sing to you Somsar Gunta, Carol of the Bells, and Jinjinit Tintinit. May our singing lead us to experience a shared faith and a new unity with God and with the community.
So